Hi, this is PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see all photos and videos on Instagram chat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. To view a photo on Instagram DM again, simply open the conversation and scroll through the message to find the photo and videos. When you come across the photo, you can view it as many times as you like. But how to do it if you want to see all the photos and the videos without you scrolling the chat? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can open up your DM section. You can choose your friends or the account that you want to see where you share photos and videos with them, which is this one. We can tap on the here on your friend profile, and you're going to here. Here you can see like not only photos and videos but also like reels posts on Instagram that you shared on this room chat. Here's for the photos and video section, and here's the posts, like reels and post section on your room chat with your friends. You can see in here. So without you need to scrolling like this, you just need to open here. And you can see all the photos and videos and also the post section in here. It's so simple, right? So that is how to see all photos and videos on Instagram chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.